Hello there, I'm going to take you through Instant eBook Presence. It's a very cool web application that you can use to personally create your own ebook covers. It is very fun to use with a lot of cool graphics in it to make your ebook covers look cooler. So what we have here is what you would see first when you create a new design from your members area. This is our default template that we created for you, and it is very editable. Say for example, the text, you can just double click the text and then edit it right away. Okay, just like that. Move some stuff, nudge them, just click them and drag them to wherever you would want them to. It's very simple. However, if you want to start with a blank page, just go to the template panel and choose this blank page option right here. There you have it. That's a blank page. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through creating an ebook cover from scratch so you can see how things would work in here. Okay, so the first thing we can do is to add our title. Let's go to the text panel and add a text to our canvas. Okay, double click that and add your title. So now that you have your text, you can choose to align your text left, center, or right through these three icons right here. So you can just click those and it will automatically change the alignment of your text. Now be sure to click on the text you are changing the alignment for so that changes would be observed. Now you can also change the text size through this size adjuster right here. So you can just click this knob in the size option, drag it to the left or to the right to make it look bigger or smaller. Okay? You can also change your font color through this color option right here. Again, be sure to have selected the text you are going to change the color with so changes would observe. Now I'm going to choose a dark gray one. Okay? Next up, font type. Just choose any that you like. So be sure to have selected the text that you're going to change the font so that the changes would appear. Okay, now by default these texts have a white drop shadow on, which you can see because we have a white background. Later you will see that. However, this drop shadow can be turned on or off. Just click this orange button right here and it will turn on or off. Okay, so before we head up to the next, let's arrange this first. You can click on your text and hit resize here through these areas right here, like how we resize normally in other softwares. Position it. Very, very easy to use. Okay, so now that we have that, let's head on to the background. We have a lot of cool backgrounds for you right here, and you can choose just anything that you like by just clicking on the background that you prefer. Okay, so now that we have our background, we can choose to add more graphics to it by going to our graphics panel right here. Now we have ribbons, labels, light effects, shapes, tags, and other stuff, other graphic that you can use. These are cool, very cool graphics, very convenient. Like for example, I'm going to use this ribbon right here. Just click on anything and it will appear on your canvas, okay? You can resize it through this tool right here, just as we do in other softwares, okay? Okay, so that's it. Now if you don't want that, you can always hit delete on your keyboard and it's gone like that. However, if you change your mind, you can always choose to undo or redo your acts through these buttons right here. Now, the same goes with our other elements right here. But as for the shapes, well, unlike the other graphics in the graphics panel, the shapes colors are actually up to you. So when you choose to create a new shape, you can choose whatever color you want through this color option right here. Make sure that the shape is selected when you change the color, okay? So it's simple like that. Now, if you would want to override your own background with a plain flat color, you can always use this shape right here. So what I'm going to do is try to have a white clean background instead. Now, I'm going to resize this shape to fill the canvas up and change the color to white because I would want a white background. Now, click on the shape again and send it backward. This thing you can always do with the images overlapping on your canvas. Bring them forward or send them backward. It's very convenient to use. Okay, now other than the graphics, you can also upload your own images to your cover. So for example, I'm gonna upload my own image. Browse it in your drive and then hit open. It will instantly upload your image. And ta-da, there you have it. Now you can resize your image to fit your canvas, of course. Okay, so you see it's over the text, so I'm going to send it backward until all the text can be seen. Okay, so there we have it. So that's basically it. It's very easy to use. Be free to discover and customize to whatever you want to. Now when you would want to choose to save an editable version of your ebook and maybe edit it later on, you can save that in your dashboard. So what you have to do is just hit save here and type in the name of your ebook cover or whatever you would want to name it to. Okay, and it's saved like that. Now if you would want to save it as a new file, you can always hit save as and it works the same. Okay, hit save and then it's saving like that. Now after you're done making your ebook cover and you're satisfied with it already, you can now download a 2D flat cover or a 3D cover of your ebook. So when you click download 2D flat cover, you will be able to download the JPEG version of a flat cover of your ebook. Okay, so this is what we just downloaded. It is a flat image of your ebook cover. Now you can also choose to download the 3D cover, which is a lot cooler. Just click on download 3D cover and we have a couple of mock-ups for you to choose from. So for example, I'm going to choose any of these. This one, hardcover book, open. Okay, so just click on download 3D cover and it will instantly redirect you to our 3D cover wizard, and you can just wait for it to finish and save it in your drive. So this is how the 3D cover would look like, and it's a transparent PNG. I've downloaded a couple more 3D cover styles for your preview. So that's pretty much it. Now when you go to your template panel right here, you can see that we have two templates available to use. The blank one and the default one. As for the others, you will be able to access them when you upgrade. Now we have a lot of templates right here, very cool ones that you can use, very editable, so you wouldn't have to start from scratch and just edit the text or the background or whatever. These are the sneak previews of the templates that we have.